Let's have a closer look on COUNTIF and the corresponding function SUMIF. In here you see a big table with lots of orders that are counted through and product numbers. Actually the product numbers are just 5, 8 and only the number format changes is to a layout where it says prod -0005. Each product has a single price. For product 5 it's 20 euro, and in this order 9 items of product 5 have been ordered, and the total of this order has then been 9 times 20 euro, which is 180 euro. And again we would like to know in our controlling department how many orders of which product we did have. So here is COUNTIF, a good choice to go for. So let's give it a try. And you can see COUNTIF. Oh, there is something wrong. COUNTIF, I have now entered the bracket. First I would like the range. And the range is the product number. I can simply click on column B, because I know that on top and below the orders there is simply nothing in there. If I enter the complete column B, I don't have to enter dollars later on. And then I would like to have my criteria, and again, like before, I simply click on this G4, I don't enter a constant. This helps me later on for filling it down automatically, so you can see these are the number of orders for a certain given product. Now I would like to have the units. So I would like to sum up basically these numbers for a given product. And then COUNTIF doesn't work, but SUMIF is doing a good job. So I enter SUMIF, only without the S. And now you see there is 3 arguments. The last one is in brackets, which means it's optional. We will use it, we have to use it. So I first click on the range, again that's B, or column B. Then I'll enter the product number. I click on my cell G2, G4. And if I leave it like that, then simply the numbers in these columns are summed up. So I would get 10 times the number 5. But I would like to sum up the number in the column D. So I have to enter this one. And what happens now is that always if this number 5, for example, matches this value in the column B, the corresponding value in column D is taken and added to the sum. And now similarly, I would like to calculate the turnover. Of course, I could simply multiply this value with a single price, but again, use SUMIF again. Yeah, so, oops, I've forgotten the equal sign. I again enter the range where I would like to check which product I would like to go for. I'll enter my cell with the product number, and I enter, oh no, it gets a little tricky. I do it by, oh no, it has entered correctly. I've entered column E, and you'll get the price I'm making here. Yeah, so you can calculate, you see this 20 euro for product 5. We have 53 items sold, and you can compute in your head 53 times 20 is 1060.